to my channel. This is Miss V here, and in this video I am participating in a challenge. This is called the DIY Home and Organization Budget Challenge that's being hosted by Antoinette over at Simple Yet Chic and Rosa over at Home and Living. And what they have asked us to do is choose a room in our house and organize it, give some tips on organizing, and also include a DIY. And the room that I have chosen is my craft room. It looks a mess, y'all. After I do DIYs and several videos, I just throw stuff everywhere, and then I clean it up, and then I do it again. So since I was getting ready to clean the craft room up anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and include this in the video. So this is the present state of my craft room right now. Okay, got a haul down there I gotta film. Got my desk, got my Cricut supplies. I'm gonna redo that some kind of way. Got my little office area right there. And that's my background for my videos. Come on over, got my radio over there, got my shredder. And come on over, and this is all my craft supplies. So I gotta get all this redone. So I think my DIY is going to be, I'm going to redo my desk, because this is actually, it's not a craft desk, it's just two cute shelving devices I purchased at Big Lots, and I just put a piece of black plywood on top. As you can see, that's not even attached. So I had my husband to bring one of my tables out of storage building. I think some kind of way that's gonna be my DIY, but stay tuned. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all raw footage of how Miss V craft room is when she's working a lot. Look at all that. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Miss V. And if you're oldie, thank you for coming back. And if you've been watching my channel, you'll notice, yes, Miss V has her new chair finally. Got me a new office chair. So I'm going to get this organized, and I'll be back, and I'll share whatever my DIY is. I'm not gonna, I'll film some of it, but it's so congested right now, I don't think I'm gonna be able to film much. But anyway, stay tuned. And in the meanwhile, I want to thank Antoinette and Rosa for hosting this challenge. I love any type of challenges that involve organization. I love to be organized. Well, you can't tell from this video, but I do like to be organized. So this is it. So stay tuned. This is the progress I've made. It don't look like I've done much because I'm not finished, but I just wanted to show you the changes. This is the table I'm going to use for my craft table because it has more space than the other desk I had. I took that desk to loose apart, apart, and two cube pieces that were under the desk, I put those two together, and this is my Cricut station. Then the stand that was over here, it is right here. I turned it vertical. It was horizontal. Then this stand was right there where my craft desk is. Remember, it was right there in front of my gallery wall. So I put all those together to display like my crafts that I'm doing at the moment. And this is what I have. I like this better. And so now I just gotta get everything cleaned up. All this cleaned up and put up. And this is my little DIY clock table that I made. I just sit here and journal when I want to. So I just gotta get everything put in place, and I'll be back for the final reveal to my craft room. For my DIY, I'm going to redo this table. It's a foldable table that I got at the thrift store for $3.99. I'm gonna use it to help me organize some of my crafts. And I would have left it in the zebra print because I got that little zebra print lamp there, but this one has little water stains on it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, got little water stains right there. and some water stains right here. So what I'm going to do is paint the perimeter of this white and cut this blessed table mat that I got from the Dollar Tree out. I'm gonna cut all this around, cut the edge of this off, and Mod Podge it to the table, and this is gonna be my little secondary craft piece to house some of my crafting supplies. So stay tuned. I chose to reorganize my craft room because sometimes you can have so many supplies you don't even realize what you have. So I wanted to get everything out in the open where I could see all my craft supplies. So instead of doing all that painting, I found this shelf liner paper that I had in my closet, and I just refinished it with that, and I like that better because I didn't feel like painting anyway. So that's what I did. I'm still gonna put my bless sign on here. Got my sign cut out, and I'm gonna put some Mod Podge on the back and attach it to the table. Attach to the table. And now I'm gonna seal it with some Mod Podge. Put Mod Podge on the entire table. And I'm using the gloss Mod Podge. Table in its present state before the Mod Podge dry. I'm gonna take it outside and let it dry. Reveal the final result. Still decluttering. I'm almost finished. See the floor a little bit.